Why do so many individuals charged with homicides end up with court-appointed counsel? Homicides are expensive and homicides are time-consuming. You can't do a homicide case as an attorney in less than 500 hours, and even that is a very conservative estimate. We're talking closer to like 1,000 hours. And when you think about an attorney, and let's say the attorney charges $200 an hour, when you multiply that by 500 hours, you end up at a $100,000 fee. And this is the low end of the work that goes into a case. Typically, homicides are closer to 1,000 hours of work. When you think about the attorney fee, 100,000 is a lot of money. And then on top of that, you have experts, investigators. You have to pay for your court transcripts. So it just keeps adding up and adding up and adding up. And this is why so many people end up with court-appointed counsel, because no one has that much cash or that much savings to say, I'm retaining someone for my case. It's a boatload of work. And I know that if we're taking on a homicide, I'm committing the firm to work on the case for a few years before we go to trial. Unfortunately, that's the nature of our criminal justice system. We're very backed up, and on a homicide, there's no speedy trial time in New York State court. So you end up waiting a very long time to go to trial. And that's the time that your attorney's working on the case. That's the time the attorney's responsible for the case. And unless you have substantial means, you can't afford a homicide attorney because no one is quoting you less than 6 figures to do a homicide.